welcome. I would like to thank my 6 subscribers. Don't forget to share and comment. This menu is in homage to a dear friend, Ms. Wanda Tucker. She loved my oven roasted salmon with kidney bean salad and basmati rice. This is Simple Sundays, Cooking with Zion. We're going to probably knock out this meal in about an hour. We have 40 minutes prep time and about 25 minutes cook time. I'm going to start now with my kidney bean salad. I have my kidney beans strained and drained. So we're going to do that, which I have my kidney beans. And then I'm going to add the herbs, which are curly parsley, flat leaf parsley, and cilantro. And it's a rough chop, so I will drop these in here. Then I go to my mushrooms, because these are canned mushrooms, and I love mushrooms in my salad, and so did Wanda Tucker. So I'm going to put my mushrooms in. I have just 1 Roma and 1 regular small to medium tomato. So there's not that much. We don't want to steal the taste with all kinds of tomatoes. So I place those in there. Then I place probably just about a half chopped onion. And that is nicely chopped. Place that in there. Then also, this is also a nice ingredient, which these are roasted bell pepper, and they come from a jar. And they're very easy to chop, and we place that in there, and that's probably 1 whole bell pepper. Then I also use some Greek salad dressing, which we'll shake this up and just pour just a little bit, just so that we can oil it up so that everything sort of blends together. So probably half a cup maybe or less. Then I squeeze some fresh little lemon lime. What are they called? Gee whiz, I'm forgetting. I'm back from fumbling. So we have lemon lime that I squeezed, and so I have about, let's see, less than half a cup. So this is a 1/4 cup limes, and I just put that in there, and that's gonna bring all the flavors out. And I take my spoon and I will mix it up. Whatever you do, please dismiss these El Pollo Loco coupons. Sometimes we want super simple. So I'm going to begin my basmati rice. There's 2 cups of rice and 3.5 cups of water. When I bring it to a full boil, a real full boil, I will add my butter and my salt. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter into the boiling rice, basmati rice. Let that sit here. I use my butter knife, stir it around, because we want all that butter flavor throughout the rice. Now, after the butter, my Himalayan salt, it's pink by the way, I just dropped some of that in there. Not too much, because it tastes wonderful without over salting, and with the butter it complements the rice. Smells wonderful. Very lovely smell. I just want to eat it right now. Lower it to low, and place the lid over the rice, and we'll let that sit for about 20 minutes. You'll have the aroma around the house, and it's very, very tasty. Here we have our salmon. This is about 1.5 pounds, 2 pieces of salmon. Very fresh. You got to make sure your salmon is fresh. So you got to look at expiration dates or talk to your butcher when fish comes in so it's fresh. This is very fresh salmon. So we're going to start first with the seasoning. I use a little bit lemon pepper, and I place it here on the top. And that lemon's just going to make it pop. And I do the other side here, the other piece of salmon, and that has lemon pepper flavor. And also I pre-greased this cooking bowl or casserole bowl. Gonna make sure it's all covered. So I use Pam, so it's just lightly greased, and it's canola oil. Then, actually, I'll save the salt for last. I have my chilled, very chilled butter, and I will place just a couple on top. And you want the butter really chilled so that it doesn't melt so quickly, so it really sinks in to the salmon. So this one's a little larger piece, so I'll probably use just a little bit more butter. And this is a little larger, so I'll just use this piece. There we go. Look how nice that looks. And I'll just add a little salt here, because the butter has salt, so you don't want to over salt it. Then, this is fresh dill, and I will use dill for a little decoration and some flavor. So I have my shears here, and you just simply cut some dill. You don't have to use dill if you don't prefer the taste. I love dill. If I can put it on everything, I would. There, that's good. Ooh, dill, dill, dill. Here we go. Let's make a dill. Now I'm going to place the salmon into the oven, and it's preheated to 350. And we're going to have this salmon in the oven for about 25 minutes. So here we are. This is our finished product. We have our beautiful aromatic basmati rice, our kidney bean salad, and our wonderful oven roasted salmon. So remember, stop chefing around and get cooking!